Meaning of fineness.
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 Fineness. Fineness refers to the quality of being fine and delicate. It is often used to describe the quality of an object or material, especially in terms of its texture or appearance. For example, a piece of cloth may be described as having a high level of fineness if it is very soft and luxurious to the touch, or a piece of jewelry may be considered to have a high level of fineness if it has intricate details and a polished finish. In general, the term fineness is associated with elegance and refinement, suggesting a high degree of attention to detail and quality.